English for daily life. Words you'll use every day. Let's go. Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Brush. Brush. She brushed her teeth after breakfast. She brushed her teeth after breakfast. Shower, shower. I take a shower before going to work. I take a shower before going to work. Breakfast, breakfast. He eats breakfast with his family. He eats breakfast with his family. Coffee, coffee. I need a cup of coffee to start my day. I need a cup of coffee to start my day. Work, work. She goes to work by bus. She goes to work by bus. Study, study. I study English every evening. I study English every evening. Lunch, lunch. We usually have lunch at 1 p.m. We usually have lunch at 1 p.m. Phone, phone. My phone is on the table. My phone is on the table. Message, message. I got a message from my friend. I got a message from my friend. Call, call. She calls her mother every night. She calls her mother every night. Shop, shop. I shop for clothes once a month. I shop for clothes once a month. Market, market. He buys fruit at the market. He buys fruit at the market. Money, money. I don't have enough money today. I don't have enough money today. Food, food. They order food online. They ordered food online. Water, water. Please drink some water. Please drink some water. Bus, bus. The bus is always crowded in the morning. The bus is always crowded in the morning. Car, car. I drive my car to school. I drive my car to school. Friend, friend. My best friend lives in London. My best friend lives in London. Family, family. Family is the most important things for me. Family is the most important things for me. Home, home. I feel happy when I'm at home. I feel happy when I'm at home. Door, door. Please close the door. Please close the door. Key, key. I lost my house key. I lost my house key. Street, street. There are many shops on this street. There are many shops on this street. Food, food. I love Italian food. I love Italian food. Sleep, sleep. I sleep at 11 p.m. every night. I sleep at 11 p.m. every night. Bed, bed. The kids are in bed now. The kids are in bed now. Dinner, dinner. We had dinner at a restaurant. We had a dinner at a restaurant. Love, love. I love learning English. I love learning English. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.